So did anybody have any questions about the homework?
No, it's pretty good. It took me a while to, because my computer wouldn't download that file for the SPSS. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
So yeah, so I didn't get to finish it, but once I got it figured out to download, yeah, I started working on it. But,
Sweet.
yeah, it was pretty.
Yeah, it wasn't bad. Like the videos helped.
Yeah, the videos helped a lot.
Mhm.
The videos helped me a lot, at least.
Mhm.
Well,
I agree.
So
yeah.
I guess like the big question is, do we want to take the quiz together, or do we want to each just do the quiz on our own?
Um, we could probably start the quiz, and then, like I said, I'll probably have to leave here in about a half hour.
Okay. Well, I gotta get going too, because I gave someone a ride up to school, and she gets done here in a bit.
Yeah. So I mean, we could start it and then go through it as much as we can, and then we can finish it on our own. So
Cool.
That sounds good.
I keep losing you guys.
You keep losing us?
I'll be right back.
Y'all still there?
Yeah, can you hear us? Are you good, Becky?
Okay, sorry about that.
Just remember.
Grabbing my notes. Alrighty.
Okay. Are you good, Becky?
You guys have been cutting in and out. I haven't been hearing anything.
Okay.
You're freezing and cutting out.
Well, we'll try to do the best we can, I guess.
Yeah.
That's all we can do.
So. All right. Do we want to start jumping into that group meeting test thing?
Yeah.
Or the group home? All right. See, I'm there. Is everybody else there?
Mhm.
Yep.
All right. Perfect. I'll go ahead and start reading number 3 because that one's the one that starts to get into it. It says, on rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body part of a patient's body, the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, the patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Phillips Stale conducted a study on these mistakes and the lawsuits that follow. The data in the file wrong site, wrong patient represent the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal zero, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. So we have to find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits and round to the whole dollar. So let me pull up that data. And you all know where to find that data?
I don't. Where was that at?
So it's on the group meeting page. There's like there was like a little link that you could click on.
It's like a
Oh,
highlighted type. It's a different
Yeah.
color.
okay. Because, yeah, my iLearn is being weird, and on some of the pages,
Oh.
I can't see, like, the links at the bottom. And
Yeah.
so I'll see if I can see it on my phone really quick.
Okay. Yeah, iLearn's been acting up all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had a ton of emails about it.
Yeah. It's very frustrating.
Yeah.
I'm struggling right now myself.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
So Casey, do you know, like, is there a way to punch something in on this SPSS program to figure out the mean of all the?
Yeah. I'm on my wife's computer right now, so my computer that has SPSS on it, I actually left it at my apartment,
Okay.
so I don't have access to it. But yeah, there's a way. I just can't picture it in my head right now.
No,
You have to go up.
Yeah, I remember reading it in the
Uh,
in the book. I just don't remember it.
see, I can.
But I guess oh,
I'll pull up the
find the
book
book.
really quick. Yeah.
Did anybody have, while we're doing this, did anybody have any questions or anything about the homework?
I don't think so, no.
No. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Again, I'm sorry. I just about the work thing, but
Oh no, it's nothing you can really control. So
No, no need to be sorry.
yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, there it is.
find the mean.
All right. So let's see. Okay, here we go. So
Okay, so you go to analyze
Nice.
descriptive statistics
Okay.
and then explore,
Okay.
and then you need to click on the one that you want to find the mean of.
And it was it the wrong site?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then move it over to dependent list.
Okay.
And then make sure that it is down where it says display. Click both
Okay.
and OK.
That will.
And then it should come up and says like descriptive. And then it should have like mean and
Okay.
like 95% confidence interval and different stuff like that.
Yep. Yep, I've got it. Okay, so so are we typing in? Is it asking for the mean, the statistic, or? So would we write that number that's in the statistic box?
Yeah.
Okay. So that number then is 80,041.24. So 80041.2.
All right. And then it's round to the nearest dollar, so it's just 80,041.
Yeah. Yep, 80,041. So that should be the answer for number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. So did y'all kind of understand? Here, maybe I can do a screen share thing, and so you can see how I did that.
This may be a stupid question, but my wife has a MacBook. Like, how do I make this window smaller?
The window for the chat?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Do you just? I don't. Is there like a square where you can click it and it?
You can pull it in if you put your cursor on the edge and get that two-way arrow. You can pull it in and make it smaller that way.
Okay.
At the border.
All right. There's not a 2 arrow. There's like 2 little blue ones up in the corner.
No, you take your cursor and put it on the border, and it creates the two-way arrow that you then
there we go.
Pull it in.
Nice.
That work?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm going to do a screen share. So I can show you all how to do that thing, I guess. Okay. So, can y'all see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
See my cursor moving around and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. So how do I go back? Let's just, I'll do this. Okay. So to find out the mean, what we had to do was we had to go to this analyze box and then go down to descriptive statistics and then over to explore, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then once you're in this spot, you click on the wrong site tab and it'll highlight this whole area like it is now. And then you'll just click this button to put it into the dependent list and see it'll say wrong site. So like that. And then display both. And you'll click OK. And this thing will pop up. And if you look right here, it'll say wrong site and then the mean. And then there's your mean. So hopefully that kind of helps with the future questions and stuff.
I can't even get my SPSS. It's downloaded and all that, but every time I try to open it, it's not opening it. I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with it.
Yeah, it took me a while to figure it out too, but I've got it kind of going.
That's awesome.
Anyways, okay. All right. So let's go with the next one then. So we have to find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. Rounding answer to the nearest whole dollar. So I think there was a way to do it.
Well, I think it was just right there on the other side, wasn't it? Because you had the statistical, and then you had standard deviation.
Yeah, I think so. I think it showed it. I think
It showed it on here. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's the statistical or the deviation. The standard deviation, let me see. Round to the nearest whole dollar. Okay, so the standard deviation, it says $71,403.82. So that would be
Rounded up.
$70,404.
Mm-hmm.
That would be the answer for number 4. Yeah, 71. Tell you what, I'm just gonna... I'll do this. Okay, so on my screen, you see that standard deviation column. If it's sharing, is it sharing my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so that's where I got it. I hope that's right. So, anyways. All right. Well, should we move on to the next question?
Yeah.
All right. So hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare and usually fatal type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival times in months. So it's 5, 19, 1, and 3. And it says use this information to answer questions 5 and 6. So what is the median survival rate?
So median is when you line them all up, and it's the one in the middle, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I think it's going to be 4, because you have an even amount of numbers, so you add 3 and 5 and divide by 2. I'm pretty sure. I think it's 4.
Yep.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yep.
So 4 for number 5. Do we all agree on that?
Yeah.
All right, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, then the standard deviation of the survival times. So, see, the standard deviation, what was it? We had to get, we have to have the mean, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's 7.
Is that
Mhm.
7?
Yeah, because don't you just add them all up and then divide by 4?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So that's 7.
That's 7. And then we have to go through and multiply each unit, I guess, by 7, right? Or you subtract it by 7 to get, yeah. I need a piece of paper. So don't we get the sum of all those and then add it, or we square root them and then add it all together?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I don't have a calculator on me. Does I have?
I've got a calculator.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to square.
So do we go? So we go like 5 minus 7,
Yep.
and then 19.
Yeah. 19 minus 7, 1 minus 7, 3 minus 7, and I did that and I got -6, -4, -2, and 8.
-6, -4, -2, -8.
Or just 8 for
Oh, just so
yeah,
positive 8.
19 minus 7.
Okay.
And I think we
Isn't
have
19 minus 7 12?
that.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I meant.
Okay, sorry. I was just like, wait, what?
Yeah, no, I was. Yeah,
No,
you're
you're
right.
fine.
You're right. I just had a little moment there. Thanks for catching that. Anyways, and then I think we square each of those, don't we?
Yeah. So you get 4, 144, 36, and 16. So when you add all those together, you get 200. And then it says that you have to take the average of those. So you divide 200 by 4, and it's 50, is what I got.
That sounds a little bit higher.
Yes. So we're looking for the standard deviation, right?
Yeah, so like the difference between like each of like kind
Yeah.
of those like numbers.
Yeah, so we sum up the squares of all those, and we divide that by the mean minus 1.
Oh, that
And
makes
that
sense.
would and that will give us our variance, and then we just square root that variance, and that'll give us our standard deviation. So what was the sum of all of them again?
200?
And yeah, so we'll divide that by 7 minus 1.
So 200
What does that
divided
get?
7 minus 1. It's like 27.57.
Okay, and then we square root that. And that should give us
Okay, so 27 point. I don't think I'm doing this right.
Wait, so you divide or multiply? So you
so
divide
first we figure yeah
by
so
7
we'll
minus 1?
yeah because
So it's
to
200
find out
divided by 6, right?
yep.
Okay, so I got 33.3.
Okay, yeah.
So 33.3, and then we square root that.
Oh, okay.
That will give us our standard deviation. Because that 33.3 is our variance, and then the standard deviation is just the square root of our variance.
Got it.
So what was that answer for the
So that's
square root?
5.77. And what does it say to the
5.
nearest?
10th. So that would be
Nearest
5.8.
So 5.8. Yep.
Okay. Perfect. Did it? So did everybody kind of understand that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've got to run, but if not, I kind of got I kind of got a good grip of what's going on in this chapter. If you have any questions, you can email me. And
Okay.
but
And And
anyways.
I can
I
stay
can't-
for a little bit longer.
Okay,
cool.
yeah.
Thanks,
I've got to jump out, but I appreciate you guys working with me.
Oh, no
Yeah, thank
problem.
you. Appreciate you.
All right. Oh, thank you. We'll keep in touch, and if y'all talk about when to meet next, let me know. So,
Okay.
Okay.
all right. Thanks.
All right. Yeah.
Bye. Okay. So
All right. So we're on
7.
7. Yep. Okay.
Uh,
So
do any of you have SPSS that's up?
I have it. I don't have it up. I can get it up really quick.
Okay. I think that's what we need.
Now, I feel like I'm at a real handicap.
What was that?
I feel like I'm at a real handicap because
Oh.
y'all keep cutting in and out, and I'm catching little bits and pieces of it. And my SPSS I can't open, so it's like
Okay.
I'm
Well,
handicapped.
oh, mine should be up and running in just a sec, so we should be okay. All right, it's just going to take it a second to pop up. Should be up in just a second. Okay. Up and going. One sec.
So number 7 says, what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data? Give a number rounded to the nearest cent.
Okay. Only problem with that is I still can't get that file to open for some reason.
And then I do this.
So for you guys, did it bring up that separate
Okay.
page of all the like .sav documents? Is that what it brought up?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it should have like a whole list of a bunch of different documents.
Yeah, and then you click on the wrong site, wrong patient, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then when I do that and try to hit open, window of it just jumps and it goes right back to where it was. It doesn't open it.
And see, that's what mine is doing. It says it loads it, and then I go to click on it, but nothing opens. It says it can't be opened.
Did you guys buy SPSS or did you just download it through like the free?
I downloaded it through the free one. So
My SPS is working. I just can't get the document with the data to open. Do you have to have it?
Well, it should just be connected so when you open.
Okay, maybe that's why. Maybe it's because I didn't have that open. Okay, I'll try it one more time.
I'm in a classroom. I think these guys need this class that I'm taking control of.
Uh-oh.
Well, if y'all need to go, that's fine. I'm trying to work with my husband on trying to get into mine.
Okay. I think I need to go. I think I need this class.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
can't figure it out.
Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem.
All right.
Good luck to all of us.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah, no kidding. All right, see you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
You got a clicker.